Thank you. Oh, before we go, nearly forgot. There is your free laptop. Free laptop. Yeah, we're giving away free laptops with every USB sold today. You sure? Yeah, yes, I'm sure. Okay. Thanks. I'll just. You sure? Yeah, enjoy. Okay, Am I sure? I'm sure. Yes, I'm sure. See ya. Am I sure? Oh, yeah, like I don't know how my shop works. I'm sure. Of course, I'm sure.
Hey, Ron.
Yeah.
What was that?
What do you mean?
Did you just give away a free laptop?
Yeah, I just gave away a free laptop.
Oh, wow. Why would you do that?
What do you mean? Why would I do that? Look at the promo.
Yeah. No, I'm very aware of the promo. I made the flyers. Do you want to really quickly read out what they say?
Okay, Alan. Just for you. Free USB stick.
Yeah.
Free USB stick.
How many have you given away, Ron? So what was that?
15.
15.